Hello friends, a very good afternoon to everybody and of the day. Okay, the first is be gentle with yourself. Archangel Michael, please guide me in treating myself with gentle, nurturing love in everything I think, speak, and do. Help me that I deserve this compassion. I release my feelings of guilt to you so that I may experience lasting inner peace. So this is a card saying that high time that you think about yourself. You be and wrong or right, whether it guilty or not, just give away everything you're done to the results what you expected, but you are progressing and there is no one to judge you, and if someone is judging you, it is high time that you make those people away from your life. So it is like no one is perfect, and we all have some imperfections in us, and don't judge yourself. Sorry, there was some internet. So this is a card of that no one is perfect, and stop judging yourself. We all make mistakes. Move ahead in life. So I think the first and the second card are pretty much similar. Now the tarot question that I've taken for today is many a times many things happen to us. Either people do it or some wrong situations happen to us, maybe a financial loss, maybe a break in a relationship, anything that has happened to us, and we often wonder what is the reason behind this happening to us. Why did this happen to me? So this is a card, this is a question of asking why has this thing happened to me, or why did this person do this to me, or why these things happen to me. That's the question that is for today. So let's see. So if it's regarding a person, probably if that thing would have gone ahead for a more time, there would be a lot of fights more, there would be a lot of misunderstandings more, it would have drained more of your energies, there would have been struggle in the situation or in the relationship or whatever was why that thing happened to you, that was not meant for you, and it would have drained a lot of you, it would have drained a lot of energies, it would have affected your work also. So it's time, it's for the better, because probably the future of it would have not been favorable, and it would and you would be only adjusting and adjusting. So that is the answer. And if you like this video, please do share it, and if you have any question or anything, or if you want I should remove any angel card for you, you can let me know. Thank you so much.